Hey guys, what's up? The first free app is named UCut, which is a watermark free video editing app. You can easily trim, cut, and split video clips, add background music, sound effects, and enhance video footages with various filters. You also get to adjust your video profile and apply effects like glitch, comic, magic, etc. with some effects limited to premium users only. You can customize every frame with creative text options including fonts, colors, animations, emojis, and animated GIFs while adjusting video speed for dramatic look. It is perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, social media posts, as UCut offers templates for quick resizing and background tweaks. You can record voiceovers, fine-tune audio levels, and you get to choose from various animated transitions for a professional look. It can export your videos in 4K resolution. Although ads appear, they do not interrupt the editing process at all. The second video editing app is named Lightcut, which is completely free to use without any limitations, such as there is no watermark and no ads. It features AI-powered one-tap editing that analyzes your footages and automatically selects the best moments, applying appropriate templates to generate stunning videos with just a tap. Now Lightcut also offers manual editing options such as cutting, volume adjustment, speed adjustment, transition, adding music, sound effects, numerous filters, and complete video adjustment, including glamour effects and LUTs, that is lookup tables, for easy color correction. Additionally, you can add effects, customizable text with adjustable fonts, styles, effects, animations, and stickers for full creative control. At last, you can export your videos in 4K resolution. Lightcut also features Inspire Cam, which is a video shooting guide that shows you exactly what shots to capture by suggesting camera angles and scenes tailored to different scenarios. The last video editor, Video Maker Video.guru, is a free app from the same developer as the first one featured in this video, and the features are almost same, but with a slightly different user interface. You can try this one, as this app is also watermark free and supports up to 4K resolution exports, ensuring your videos look stunning on any platforms like YouTube, Instagram, etc. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.